Chiefers, this is just a second kind of follow-up video, and that is that I'm recording in the portrait orientation of the iPad Pro. So now we're still remoted in, but we're just looking at it in a portrait view, which is even easier to do as built, because then I can really handle this with my left hand. It's a little bit heavy, sure, but not too bad, and I can still navigate with my left hand, my right hand, have a laser in my right, and you know, this is pinch to zoom, same deal as before. I've still got that floating toolbar that I mentioned in the previous video, and you can even, you know, pop up the real keyboard, or this particular keyboard's the text app keyboard, but you can even have your keyboard down at the bottom and get to the field and do a remote using a hotspot, or if you've got one of the cellular Wi-Fi models of the iPad, remoting back to your desktop at home, and very little latency. It's a very workable solution for as-built, and maybe I'll actually be able to do a video in the field next time, and I can just show you, you know, kind of the latency on my end, because for the most part this works really well. So just a follow-up video, and take care.